I woke up to the hum of my fridge at 3:33 a.m. The kitchen floor was covered in frost, like it had been snowing inside. The door was open, leaking a pale blue light. But it wasn't food inside. It was a tunnel of stars, stretching deeper than the house itself. I swear I heard something moving out there, between the constellations. And the frost began crawling up my legs, pulling me closer. If I disappear, don't look in the fridge. Follow for more nightmares at Shadowline Files.